Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Recurly for enterprise subscription workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Recurly for enterprise subscription workflows, begin by navigating to the Recurly website. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage. Click on that button to access the registration page. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure your password is secure, combining letters, numbers, and special characters. After filling in your information, check the box to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Then, click the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message from Recurly. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Recurly website and log in with your new credentials. After logging in, you will need to complete your profile. Enter relevant business information, including company name and address. Configure your payment processing settings by choosing the appropriate gateway. Select the subscription plan that fits your enterprise needs. Customize your settings to enable features like invoicing, tax calculations, and discounts. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available tools. Navigate to the billing section to set up your billing cycles and invoice templates. Define your subscription workflows according to your business requirements. Utilize the API documentation available on the website for advanced integrations. Test your setup using Recurly Sandbox environment to ensure everything works smoothly. Once you're satisfied with the testing, you can switch to the production environment. Launch your subscription services and monitor your workflows regularly. Recurly offers customer support if you encounter any issues along the way. Make sure to stay updated with Recurly's resources for best practices and new features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.